Hi, everyone. It's Rachael Smith with ReMax in Big Bear Lake. And today I am so excited to share a full breakdown of everything that has sold here in the Big Bear Valley during August of 2024. Whether you are buying, selling, or just curious about the market, this update will give you a solid sense of what's happening in the area. Let's kick things off with some of the more affordable sales. We saw several smaller homes and cabins sell in August, which are perfect for first-time homebuyers or those looking for a budget-friendly vacation. For example, a one-bedroom, one-bath cabin on East Mountain View Boulevard just sold for $218,000. This cozy little place is under 500 square foot, but it's an ideal low-maintenance getaway for anyone who wants a piece of the mountain life without a huge investment. Similarly, a two-bedroom, one-bath home on Barranca just sold for $219,000. This one's a bit larger, offering 960 square foot, giving it a little bit more space to enjoy as a primary residence or a weekend retreat. Moving up the price range, there was a lovely sale over on Vista Avenue, a two-bedroom, one-bath cabin that just closed for $249,000. Its quaint charm and just over 550 square foot, this is another great example of an affordable entry into the Big Bear living lifestyle. And finally, a home on East Fairway Boulevard just sold for $259,000, giving buyers a solid 576 square foot of comfortable living space. Now, if you are looking for something a little bit larger and more luxurious, Big Bear saw some stunning properties change hands in August too. One of the higher price sales was a four-bedroom, three-bath home over on North Shore Drive, which sold for an impressive $1,995,000. This home was over 2,300 square feet, offers a fantastic layout, beautiful lake views, and plenty of space for family and entertaining. Homes in this price range offer everything you'd want in a mountain retreat: space, luxury, and location. Speaking of luxury, the showstopper in August was an estate over on Cove Drive that sold for a jaw-dropping $5.1 million. This is huge for Big Bear. This five-bedroom, seven-bath estate boasting 5,500 square feet truly offers the best of Big Bear luxury living. From expansive views to private lake access, this home was perfect for the one that wanted the ultimate mountain luxury retreat. Overall, Big Bear Valley's real estate market is showing strong demand across all price points. Whether it's an affordable cabin or a luxurious estate, buyers are drawn to the lifestyle and beauty that Big Bear has to offer. For those of you looking to buy, there is still a great selection of homes available. But with properties moving quickly, you will want to act fast. And if you're thinking about selling, now is a great time to take advantage of the strong market conditions and increase buyer interest. So I'm Rachael Smith with ReMax up in Big Bear. I'd love to help you navigate the Big Bear real estate market. Whether you are looking to buy, sell, or just have questions about the local market, feel free to reach out. Together, we will find the perfect mountain home for you. So let's get started today. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.